Hi again, it's Eclectic Impromptus. So, hope you guys are enjoying my earlier shorts and my Sex Pistols video clip, or short, if you will. So, this video is going to involve the Fibonacci sequence. Earlier in a few of my shorts, I've shown a few classic example patterns. I used an example on one of my sunflowers. I used a pine cone, and there's a couple of little snails on the outside building of Blessed Hope Baptist Church that I go to. So, to go into more specifics, the Fibonacci sequence is basically this mathematical pattern developed in the 13th century by the Italian mathematician Fibonacci. I heard it for the first time while reading Da Vinci Code. It's one of my all-time favorite novels. So I figured I'd do a video clip on this. So it basically involves this number pattern: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 21, 34. There's more numbers after 34, but I'm going to stop because it's probably a long going infinite amount of numbers, and I think it'd just be easier to stop at 34. So basically the pattern goes something along the lines of 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 5 plus 3 equals 8, 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, 13 plus 8 equals 21, and 21 plus 13 is equal to 34. And I'm going to backtrack a tad. So earlier this year and fall semester of last year, I took art history. And in the class, we had to do binder pages. Basically, they're study guides. You could do your own little illustrations and stuff. And you write out important information. It helps with memorization. I recommend trying it. It's a little bit on the time-consuming side, but it's well worth it, and it's kind of fun and a creative way to learn your stuff. I will show it in a video, in a picture. So the top part of the page involves the Fibonacci sequence pattern, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, and so on, and how you get to the next number. And the bottom part of the binder page is a Fibonacci sequence pattern in a spiral design. So it starts out in the two smaller little squares, which is labeled 1, and then it just spirals out. And then I ended it at 34. And the inside, which looks like a snail shape, is all in blue, and then the outer part looks more purpley, kind of like a periwinkle color. So that's basically the gist of what the Fibonacci sequence is. There's also a tie called that the Fibonacci sequence is involved in, which is the golden ratio, but I need to do more research. But once I get enough information and maybe a few examples, I'll show it to you guys. So guys, that's the video. I hope you like it, and I hope you find the Fibonacci sequence informative. And I also hope you get a chance to read Da Vinci Code. It's such an awesome story, and it's excellent. So don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share. And I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. Take care. Bye-bye.